worth of asset B, 0.06, minus 0.06. Present worth of asset C, what is it?
Negative 0.17.
Negative 0.17. And for asset D, minus 1.9. Okay. Now check the logic again. Which asset do you get when the present worth is 20%? A alone, and you can spot that because when the minimum acceptable rate of return is 20%, that is positive. You can also see that out of all the assets, this is the only one that has an internal rate of return greater than 20. Both ways always give you the same answer. Okay? Just had to do more calculating for the present worth one. All right. So let's start doing some choice problems based upon the material that you just very recently had. Suppose you have only $10 available to you at a retained earnings. And your interest rate on the retained earnings is 10%. That's at 10%. But after that, you can go ahead and take out a loan at 20%. Now, given those two parameters, what you're dealing with here is a choice with increasing cost of funds. So, do I need to answer any other questions for you about this problem before you can go ahead and proceed? You have all the information that you need from me?
No, divisible. We need things to choose.
Oh, those are your choices.
Divisible assets.
Pardon?
Divisible.
There's the question we had to cope with is, are these assets divisible or indivisible? Let's see. What do you want to do first? Which one's easier? Divisible is easier.
We'll go with divisible.
All right, so the first time around, what we're going to do is we're going to make these assets are divisible. Divisible means that if you only want half of A, you only got to take half of A. If you only want a third of B, all you need is a third of B. Everything will work out just fine. Sir?
Does divisible also mean additive? You can have more than one asset?
You may not, but you may take a fraction of it. So you can take anything in the 0-1 set of an asset. Yes?
What rate are we using?
What do you mean what rate are you using? I just told you. Your retained earnings are at 10% and your loan rate is at 20. Actually, you've got the 10 and the 20 down there if you need them. Just saying. Anyway, so that's the problem you guys should go ahead and sort out. Which assets do you grab here when your funding looks like that? I guess I should go ahead and give them a little zoom in right there. So for